Hi, Mike Pangia here. Today we're going to make avocado toast, a dish that's basically simple with overtones of elegance, and we're going to have fun doing it. So let's get started. We'll need a hard-boiled egg, so let's review how we're going to do that from my video, The Perfect Easy to Peel Hard-Boiled Egg. First, start the water boiling. Put the egg in once it's boiling. Time it for 14 minutes. Take it out, put it in the ice bath, then bring it over to the sink under running water and peel it. Then we'll want to chop it into chunks to get ready to use with our avocado toast. First thing we want to do is pick the stem off the avocado, and then we'll start at the stem area with our cut. What we're going to do is cut down to the large seed in the middle and then rotate the knife around the fruit so that we can split it in half. Once we're all the way around, you turn the knife like this, and that'll separate the two halves of the avocado. Next thing, we want to get the seed out. What I do is stick the point of the knife into the seed and pull it out that way. Now, the easiest way to scoop the fruit out of the shell is to use a tablespoon, slide it along the skin, and out she comes. Don't ignore the darker green lining of the shell. That's some of the best part of the avocado. We don't want to waste it. Now we'll add some lime juice, and depending on how much you like spiciness, we'll add some hot sauce. Some minced onion, and of course some finely minced garlic. And importantly, a pinch of salt. I'm using a thick slice of my own sourdough bread to make the toast. Here's a little trick I use to make the avocado toast a little easier for my guests and myself to eat. And that is, before I put my avocado, which is actually more like guacamole, on top of the toast, I cube it up, trying to keep it intact so that it'll look pretty on the plate. It helps that I use my big barbecue pancake turner, so I can come in and pick it all up in one piece and put it on the plate intact, like that. Now, we're going to scoop out the avocado, which is, as I said, it's really more guacamole, on top of the toast. and get ready with the egg on top. And there we have it. Well, I hope you're looking forward to enjoying some avocado toast. If you enjoyed this video and you thought it was worthwhile, be sure that you've hit subscribe. I've learned something else recently about how YouTube recommends these videos to various viewers, and that is if you have a lot of subscribes, it helps. And if you have a lot of thumbs ups and likes, that helps too. So I've never asked before, but I'm going to ask you now. If you like it, I don't want you to lie. Only speak the truth. But if you did like it, would you hit the thumbs up and give me a like? And maybe that'll help convince the YouTube folks to direct a little more traffic my way. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.